Start, 2, 1, booster ignition, and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery, returning to the space station, paving the way for future missions beyond.
The acceleration of the rocket is modeled by the equation A of t equals negative 8t plus 20. In order to find the position of the rocket, we must take the integral twice. If we know that the position of the moon is at y equals 160, we have to solve for t in order to find the time we should land from the interval from 0 to 6.21. So first we start with the acceleration, and then we took the integral of the acceleration and ended up with negative 4t squared plus 20t plus 30. We know that there's a plus 30 here because our initial velocity is 30 miles per hour. So in order to find the position, we have to take the integral of the velocity equation. After taking the integral, we end up with negative 4 over 3 t to the third plus 10t squared plus 30t. And our initial position is 0 since we're starting out on the ground. So we said the position equation equal to 160 because that's what we're trying to solve for. And then we end up with t equals 3.3 hours.
Unaware that the original V sub-zero should have been 300 instead of 30 miles per hour, our astronauts had made a fatal mistake in calculus, and instead of landing on the moon, they had to make a crash landing in the Cary High parking lot.
The wing is broken. Why are we breathing? There must be an atmosphere here.
And there's an atmosphere, that must mean there's life and vegetation, and maybe even moon people.
We need to find parts to fix the wing. I can stay back and work on it.
While you're working on it, we're gonna go find one of those moon people and beat the information out of them. Let's go, Ro.
Alright.
I see a herd of alien
Where?
out yonder. Oh crap, they're coming for us. Let's go, let's go.
That was close.
We better go deeper if we're gonna find these parts. Come on, let's go. Alright, looks like we're just gonna have to wait this one out. And I think the best place to hide is behind this thing right here. Wait, you hear that? I think it's one of them.
Look, there's one over there.
Oh, what's an unknown species? Think we can capture it with here net.
Wait, is it big enough?
In order to capture this unknown organism, we must find the volume of it to make sure our net is big enough. The function y equals 2x squared minus 6x plus 4 represents the organism, and we use the disk method in order to calculate the volume. So we put the pi in front because that's what we do with the disk method, the integral from 0 to 1 of the function 2x squared minus 6x plus 4 quantity squared dx. And if we put in the calculator, you see that we get 12.98 feet cubed. And our net is 14 feet cubed, so our net is big enough in order to capture this unknown organism.
Alright, turns out this net's big enough here. We're gonna wait till he walks by, then we're gonna go capture him. We got ourselves a live one! Alright, we captured the alien in our space chair. We're gonna answer some questions so we can find out how to get back to Earth. We're gonna play a classic game of good cop and bad cop. Ro will be good cop, and I'll be bad cop.
Alright, let's go. Sorry we have to do this to you, sir, but we need your help. Can you help us get back to Earth?
What are you talking about? We're in Cary, North
Boy, I know where I am! We are on the M-O-O-N moon!
I don't know what we're at Cary High School.
Cary High School.
It's green outside.
Moon.
There's
lots-
plants here.
There's lots
There's an
of
atmosphere.
atmosphere, smashmosphere. Where are we? And how do we get back to Earth?
You're on the Earth.
No, we're not. We are on the moon.
I think you took a wrong turn. I'm sorry.
Wrong turn? We came here in a rocket ship. What do you mean wrong turn? We can only go up.
I'm sorry. I still don't know what this has to do
Come
with
on
me.
now, we need some info here. Help us out.
I really wish I could, but you're at a high school.
High school? There's high schools on the moon? Is that what you're telling me?
No, I'm not telling you that.
All right, boy. If you don't fuss up in the next 10 seconds, you're about to get the ultimate torture.
Oh no.
What are you talking
You're
about?
about to do some calculus.
God, please don't make me do that.
A, B, and B, C.
God, please no. All right. If you want to get back to the Earth, you have to go to room 2226, 2000 building. That way.
Is that the big building out yonder?
That's the big one. You got to go there.
All right. Thanks. Alien.
So, are you gonna tie me?
No. No. Let's go, Ro.
Bro, these stairs are a trip and a half.
I know, right? What kind of high school is this?
I don't know. I don't like it.
Caitlin! Hey, where have you been? Where have you been?
I've been looking for parts to fix the ship, but I think it's ready. How do we get out of here?
Room 2226. That's where we're supposed to be headed right now. It's with some alien tools.
Alright, let's go.
Looks like room 2226 to me. What is this place?
What are we supposed to do?
I don't know. Why the door shut? Are we trapped in here?
You must be our final group.
Final group. Just tell us how to get home.
You need to solve this question on the board.
Where are the parts? I just want to get home.
I don't know what parts you're talking about. Solve the question.
No, this is a test. We have to solve that to get the parts.
Alright, we'll play your game.
In order to escape the classroom, you must find this equation. Find f prime of 3 if f of x equals x minus 1 times x squared plus 3 quantity squared. So we first broke it apart and folded it through. After we multiplied it through, we took the derivative. The derivative of f equals 5x to the 4th minus 4x cubed plus 18x squared minus 12x plus 9. After plugging 3 in, we got 432.
Correct.
Where are the parts?
I don't know what parts you're talking about. You're on Earth.
Likely story. I've been hearing that all day long. You're not tricking me.
What are we supposed to do now? We don't have the parts.
I don't know. Maybe we'll just go over outside and just let our mind clear and think this one out.
So if she didn't have the parts, where are we supposed to get them? I think we're stuck here.
Wait, why are there clouds in the sky?
Wait, how come there's people and buildings around here?
Why is there grass?
You know what? I really think we're in Cary, North Carolina right now.